Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix View All button glitch in Shopify. So, if your View All button isn't working properly or is glitching on a Shopify store, don't worry. In this guide I will show you why this happens and how to fix it step by step. So, first of all, go to Shopify admin, log in using your user credentials and navigate to online store, then navigate to navigation. Now, click on menus and check if View All button is linked to the correct collection page. If your collection is too large, Shopify automatically paginates it. To increase the number of products shown, go to Online Store, navigate to Themes, then navigate to Customize button, then click on the collection pages from the top menu. Now, increase the products per page limit and click Save, then refresh your store. And that would fix your problem. Now, you can check theme code for errors. So if the button still doesn't work, navigate to Online Store, navigate to Themes, navigate to three-dotted icon, click on Edit Code. Now, look for collection.liquid file. So type in collection.liquid under templates. Now, look for the code that says if collection.product size, and if it's missing or broken, restore it and save changes. Also, you can refresh your store to check if the issue is fixed. Now, another way to fix this problem is testing for conflicting apps or custom code. So, you'll have to disable any recently installed apps that may be modifying collections. Click on settings at the bottom left, click on apps and sales channels, and if you have recently installed any app, simply click on three-dotted icon, click on uninstall, then click on this button, then click on uninstall again. Now, after doing this, check if your problem has been solved or not. If your problem was solved, that means that app was creating this conflict. Now, step 5 is contacting Shopify support if needed. So if none of the steps work, switch to a fresh copy of your theme to see if the button appears or contact Shopify support for further assistance. And that's how you fix the Shopify View All glitch in just few steps. If this would have helped, like and subscribe and let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. See you in the next one.